Hey everyone! Ready to boost your glute workout with a quick and effective series? We only have 3 minutes to activate those muscles with some awesome music. Let's go. First, let's warm up. March in place, bringing your knees up to hip height. Tighten your abs and move your arm. Take deep breaths and feel the energy of the music. We're just getting started. Alright, let's move on to the first exercise, squat pulses. Feet shoulder width apart. Squat down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. 3 pulses down and up on the 4th. Push your hips back as if you were going to sit in a chair. Chest up, abs tight. Feeling the burn yet? Don't let your knees go past your toes. You can do it. Next, the isometric bridge. Lie on your back, feet flat on the floor and knees bent. Raise your hips until they form a straight line with your knees and shoulders. 3 pulses up and hold on the 4th. Push through your heels, squeeze your glutes and hold the position. Feel the contraction. Keep your lower back neutral and focus on your glutes. Now, let's move on to alternating donkey kicks. Place your hands and knees on the floor, aligned with your shoulders and hips. Extend one leg back, squeezing your glute. Alternate legs every 4 counts. Kick back as if you're trying to reach something far away with your heel. Tighten your abs to protect your lower back. Keep going, you're doing great. Time for the last exercise. Jump squats. Do a squat and explode upwards into a jump. Land softly with your knees slightly bent. Use the strength of your glutes to power the jump. Feel the energy of the music and give it your all. Almost there, and we're done. Wow, in just 3 minutes we activated and strengthened our glutes. If you felt the burn, leave a comment below telling us how it was. Congratulations and see you next time. And don't forget to stretch to relax your muscles. Until the next workout, stay active and motivated.